So I got the deadbolt and the doorknob installed, and this latch doesn't extend into there because this strike plate's got to be adjusted. So I'm going to get my Dremel. I'm going to cut this right here and grind this down to move this metal part that way so the latch will get in there. Alright, got this guy out of there. Need another blade. Alright, see if I can get this guy off now. Alright, I got part of that off. I'm just going to grind this here with these Dremel diamond blades have diamond bits on each side. I use to grind this stuff down. Try now. So I took the strike plate off, and it's still not extending the latch, so there's a problem with this hole. It needs to be bigger, either front part, bottom, or something. Okay, once I took the strike plate off and widened the wooden hole, the door will now shut. So, got this task done.